Hello dear RRB JE aspirants. From last many weeks, a question is continuously floating to me on email, telegram or WhatsApp. Sir, I'm not very strong, especially in the non-tech part, which is non-civil part of civil CBT 1 and CBT 2. That is general science, general awareness and physics, chemistry, pollution and computers. Let me remind you guys, RRB JE is not your semester exam of college. RRB JE is not your class 12 CBSE or state board. This is a competition exam. Here you don't have to score 90 out of 100, 80 out of 100. Here you have to score better than others. So if in the last few years you have not touched physics, chemistry directly, indirectly you have studied this in civil engineering or your engineering, but you have not directly gone through the topics of physics, chemistry, pollution, general science, general awareness, computers, then your other competitors also have not touched that. So this is an even race, guys. Same thing, if the paper is very difficult, then again guys, there's no need to worry, because it is difficult for everyone. It is a relative exam, guys. Similarly, it is easy. If the paper comes easy, you don't have to be very happy, because it is easy for everyone. Cutoff will go high. Eventually guys, if the paper is tougher, then it is always beneficial to the students who have literally prepared hard, because then they can take a genuine lead from the others. Let me tell you guys a very straightforward thing. In the civil engineering part, I'm talking of the real contenders, guys, who are preparing very hard for the RRB JE. You cannot, those two aspirants will not take a much lead from the other. From other aspirant, you can take +4, +5, +10 maximum. I'm talking of the serious aspirants, guys. Because in technical, you are very strong or confident as compared to the non-civil part. So you are not, after putting a lot of effort also, you will not be taking a huge lead. Yes, few marks lead you can take, 5 marks, 10 marks, 15 marks, but not a huge lead. But in the non-civil part, because everyone is almost at an equal level, 0 level, even with a less effort in the right direction, you can take a huge lead from the others. Because the scope of improvement, because the scope of growth is much more than the non-civil part as compared to the civil part. So always guys, you have to optimize your preparation. Might be internally you are feeling very satisfied after completing all the technical subjects, but ask yourself, by putting some time in few subjects in which you are not very strong, and the same time or even less than time in physics, chemistry and other non-tech parts, general science or awareness, can't you take much score? And once you're finally selected, nobody will be asking you how much you got in civil, how much you got in physics, how much you got in chemistry, or how much you got in the non-civil part. Selection is a selection that day. Okay? So guys, keep this point in mind. Go for your optimum, guys. Improve your score. Okay, and see the areas where you can score faster and more than the others. That will give you a real edge. Okay? So technical guys, I'm again saying, you almost all of you are saturated or about to saturate after your preparation. Taking a lead there, taking an edge there will be much difficult as compared to taking a lead in the non-technical part. I hope you understand this strategy. I'm very sure will be playing a very vital role in your final selection. Thank you guys. Take care.